Why ask me? Up and down. Hello everyone, Callie Storm Doll here, and we're in the world of Rainbow High, Pacific Coast. We're here with Simone Summers. She's so pretty. Now, I've seen so many pictures of her online that I decided I had to get her for myself. I love the dual tone baby hairs. I love the orange complector. This was something I had to collect. Side-eyeing these two over, or three of these. Oh god, I may end up with the whole collection. Who knows? I'm gonna get Simone unboxed and we're coming right back. Alright, we have Simone out of her packaging and we're back. She comes with this really huge towel. Now MGA, I do want to say it was very hard for me getting this towel out of the packaging. If it was hard for me, that it will be hard for like a small child trying to get that out. She does come with a stand and a cone. She also comes with the two flat feet, which still kind of strange to me. She comes with this really beautiful bag, and keep in mind, if I find out any of these fashion details in real life, I'll include them in the video. Very cool shades. These are glamorous. And then right over here we have the doll. We have Simone Summers, and she looks so cute. Simone is definitely giving me orange. She's giving me pastels. She's giving me pinks. She's giving me everything. Her eye makeup is orange. It has glitter. She has the black eyeshadows. She has the beautiful lips. No earrings, but she does have ear holes. When you go down to her bathing suit, she does have this glitter one piece that has the RH on it in the belt. Then she has this overlay with the drawstrings on the side. Bathing suit and the overlay both Velcro in the back. And then when you go down to her shoes, these are these checkerboard heels, and then on the front they have the rainbow plates. I find this fascinating that MGA took the time to paint each one of her hands a different color to represent her tone. So beautiful. I'm glad I have her. I like her hat. It's like a visor. It comes with the plastic piece and has a checkerboard design. And if you look at the top some more, you'll see that she comes with a real scrunchie. That is so cute. She's like so adorable. I'm so happy to have her. She can tilt her head from side to side. She can look all the way around. She has shoulder articulation, elbow, wrist, hip, and they have the thigh cut at the top, and then she has the double bend in the knee. And with these ones, they don't have ankle articulation, but they do come with interchangeable legs. So if you don't want her to have the pointed feet, you can give her flat feet. Hair quality, clothing quality, let's break it down. So the doll is actually sold for $31. Do I think everything here justifies $31? Well, let's go into these deeper details. We do have the fashion replicated details. We do have an articulated 11-inch doll, interchangeable legs, this big towelette for what it is. I would prefer more fashions versus this huge towelette, but it is what it is. Her hair quality is on point. I'm loving this hair. This is very pretty. I'm loving this look. She's definitely serving sun and fun. Yes. I do love that they gave us a real scrunchie and that visor. It's definitely given the details that we like. Could it have gone for $26? Yes. Simply because it's a sideline. It's not even a core doll line. You know, this is just to hold us over while you guys are trying to figure out Shadow High. So, you know, it is what it is at this point. But the pieces are quality. Nothing here seems cheap or feels cheap. So 31 it is. You know, it is what it is at this point. I think Simone is very pretty. And I think she will be a great addition to anyone's collection. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about the doll. So, if you're new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Who's your favorite out of the Pacific Coast gang? So far, out of the 3 I've opened, I'm really enjoying all of them. I can't wait to hear what you guys are going to say. I'll see you guys next time.